Sorry. I used to organise the Vyasa Puja ceremonies, and I would always try and organise that what prasad was cooked was actually things that they liked, because there was just always so many mountains of prasad. So I still have the little menu that I wrote in 1997. I have boxes and boxes of them. So, as always, Chennai Das Prabhu spoke first, very emphatically. Rice, hot. Shakta, hot. Hot dal, hot sa. I said, is there any particular subjects you like? Pasta aloo, hot. Sweet and sour sabji, hot. I said, what kind of sweet and sour? Doesn't matter, just sweet and sour. Pankajangri had one word. Lasagna. Okay, so you heard my favourite story, the one where I said, oh, whatever, it's you, which is just, for me, just epitomises who Pankajangri was. But the other story that epitomises who he was that he was the best prankster ever. So one day everyone had gone to prasad and I had finished doing the garland service, and I was taking the garland basket back up to put the afternoon garlands in the fridge. And as I was walking towards Nrsimhadev's, or past Nrsimhadev's altar, Pankajangri left the altar and got off and paid his obeisances, so I stopped and waited. And I didn't think he actually had noticed me, so I waited a bit longer and he walked off. And he walked in Radhamadhav's doorway, and for those of you who don't live there, when you go into Radhamadhav's altar, you go through a doorway, so you have to open the door and it opens outwards. And you step down onto a landing, which is about one step down, a little square landing. And then on the right of the landing, there's 6 steps that go up. And I waited a little outside the door. I thought, oh yeah, I didn't want to sort of him think I was following him or anything. So I opened the door and I went to step in. And he was standing on the 3rd step. And he turned around and he went, and he jumped from the step down onto the landing, right in my face. And then he went, hey. And then he just said Hare Krishna and walked back up the stairs. I screamed so loud. I'm surprised I didn't burst his eardrums. It was right in my face. So he and Janani Das Prabhu were so much a part of our family. I just feel like there's a big hole in my heart, and it will never be replaced. He was my best friend, and I should and I know that he engaged so many people in being connected to Nrsimhadev that we will all be indebted to him.